Good evening everyone, it's Tom Sydney Bushnell, aka Numbers, here from Psych.Club, from the Tom Numbers Show. News of Tom Numbers and top of your game, and walks by the sea. So, can you see the sunset? Hang on if I do that. There you go, it was there at the beginning. So today is June 6th, D-Day, and my sister reminded me that it was our dear Papa, his passing, Sydney Charles Wood, June 6th. I remember it was obviously June 6th, but I think I'd forgotten the dates. Well, lost, everything kind of is all one day to me, but yeah, 12 years ago today, the year of the Olympics. It was a leap year, 158th day of the year on a leap year. 158 is remember this Jurassic Coast. I was on the Jurassic Coast yesterday. But yeah, dear Papa, Sydney Charles Wood, 199 in numbers. I often refer to him as a dove because he was brave as a lion, gentle as a dove. You can see on my Twitter his photograph. He was a very good looking young man, and he lived till 92. 92 is numbers, reverse 92. The Joker, 92, as in the trump card, the top trumps. Top trumps is 158. I was talking to my friend Ricky Lambert, the footballer, the other day, and he'd never heard of the game Top Trumps. But a couple of days after talking about it, one of the footballers for England, Jude Bellingham, is voted the top trump footballer in the new Top Trumps football deck. Out of 200 players, he's the best in the world. So hey Jude, 123. Well, Jude Bellingham, 123. But hey Jude, yeah, maybe it's time for England to win. But yeah, D-Day, 80 years ago. They showed Dunkirk last week. Dunkirk's 88 Trump. My granddad on Bushnell side of the family, he apparently was in Dunkirk. He was one of the chefs, and apparently their building got blown up and he was in the rubble and he had his hand poking out. They pulled him out. That's a story that I heard when I was younger. He passed a lot earlier than my grandfather Sydney, but he was Thomas Bushnell as well. He was, so I'm Thomas Bushnell the fourth. Fourth is 88 Trump. The fourth is 121 Revelation. Second coming. People are strange, aren't they? They want to get in on a video. So weird, a random stranger. Anyway, oh well, maybe they knew it was my show. Yeah, so it's a reflective time, but it's a happy time, a positive time. Positive is 115, which is 11/5, November 5th. It keeps coming, everyone. The codes and confirmation on it are stronger and stronger every day. Just keep getting more and more downloads about it. Download is 88. Trump, Dunkirk 88. Downloads is 107. Military, quantum, currency, eternal life, Superman, atonement. I'll turn around here so you can see behind me the Isle of Wight. That's in the background, Isle of Wight. Isle of Wight, that's a place that my grandparents, Sydney and Eileen, would take us as kids on holiday. Everything comes back round. The full eternal circle. Everything comes back round. Here at Mudderford Quay. I need to do the numbers on Mudderford. I think mud, what's mud? M13U. 34. Yeah, Midas, I thought it was. Midas 38, gold, ocean 38, beach 38, change 38, death 38. My cousin Paul died when he was 38, or changed. Junior John passed when he was 38, wanting to witness protection. Who knows, maybe some of our loved ones that we thought had died have gone into witness protection. This is a bonkers game. This is much bigger than we could all possibly imagine. 38 is balance. Fire is 38. I think there's a spiritual fire coming, at least in terms of cleansing of the earth. Not something to be scared about, but a cleansing, a purifying anyway. Yeah. Also, as well, there's a lot of confusion. I guess it's a continual thing, but a lot of confusion. A lot of people don't still fully understand who Trump is. I think I might do a proper deep dive decode on this soon, because quite a few people are still a little confused on who he is. They get confused about his comms, about Israel and other things, but from day one it's always been 1000% clear to me who he is and was and will be. And I guess it's up to everyone to get their own witness of that. But if they're still searching, then maybe numbers and other things can help them with that. But I guess I was fortunate, I was lucky. I knew instantly who he was. I always had a gravitas towards him. But as soon as the lockdown was about to start and he gave the address to the world, and he actually gets a bit choked in that message when he talks about this is going to happen for a while, but it won't be too long, and then we'll go into a bigger, brighter future than ever before. I just knew he was telling the truth, and I've always known that. So, and I've always known as well. Well, very soon after that point, I knew he was coding, and he does it through numbers and double speak and gestures, prop positioning, colours, semaphore, everything is coded. He's the master at it. Yeah, so it's a brilliant time. We haven't got long, everyone. Today's the 158th day of the year. That leaves 152 days left. 152 is Bournemouth. 152 or 152 is my birthday. 152, 15th of February. We don't have long. I have to pinch myself when I think about it, because it's like, it just comes up all the time. It's everywhere, and I just keep getting told it. And it's like, I know how this works. I know how the simulation works. I know how we're guided. I know how we're prompted. I know how the codes work. And there will be other codes, I'm sure, that we'll get blessed with and figure out even further into the journey. But suffice it to say, I do know of what I talk about. I do know of that which I speak of. I just do. So that's my job, it's my mission to help others see that as well. So I'm very lucky, I'm very blessed, I'm very grateful, and this one's for you, Papa. I love you. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.